Hello and good day everyone. I'm Muhammad Ifan bin Saparin, VB19010 would like to introduce to you all about a product that quite a latest in the market but still widely used in Malaysia, which is 700 series. 700 series is a truck by Hino Truck, and this is what we as a team has chosen for our project. Okay, like I said earlier, Hino Truck 700 series been manufactured in 2007 but still widely used in Malaysia. So basically, Hino Truck 700 series give us consideration of quality, durability and reliability. Since it's a brand from Toyota, of course, it has the ultimate combination of Japanese engineering and quality. So Hino Truck is one of the model by Toyota Group. What is best in the Hino Truck of 700 series is the Hino engine. The Hino engine has ranked the highest in customer certification for a 5th consecutive year with a score of 801 and perform particularly well in control module, easy of access for service and maintenance, engine reliability and dependability. It also have the average fuel economy and of course the engine warranty. Hino 700 series endorsed with level of comfort, safety equipment and life-saving technology. It has the best featuring quality and comfortability in a heavy-duty truck that we won't regret. For Hino 700 series specification is it has a drive configuration of 4x2, a wheelbase of 3,330mm, 55,000 kg of weight, and it use tubeless tire type, emission standard of Euro 3. It also use engine type of electronic common rail, which is for cycle, vertical, 6-cylinder inline, overhead valve, water cool and a direct injection. Maximum output of 309 and up to 420 kilowatt per second, and it has a 1800 of RPM. So for maximum torque, it has a 1903 Newton meter and 194 kilogram force meter. For more information, you can visit www.hino.com. Alright, for the aspect that I like mostly in the Hino 700 series is the safety system that it has. Every truck has its own safety system. So for the Hino 700 series safety system that it has is the door impact beam. The high rigidity door impact beam at the side help to increase the driver and the passenger safety from a side collision. For the other one is energy absorbing steering wheel. In the event of a head-on collision, the bendable energy absorbing steering wheel and collapsible telescope steering column help to absorb some of the impact, providing better protection for the driver. Alright, the third one is the SRS airbag system. The SRS stands for Supplemental Restraint System. SRS airbag system in the Hino Truck 700 series is located at the dashboard and also the steering wheel. The SRS airbag are designed to complement the seat belt to help reduce shock applied to the head and chest of the driver in the event of a frontal impact of a collision. Last but not least, the ABS brake system. The ABS brake system help the driver maintain control of the vehicle when braking on a slippery surface that has been caused either by the rain. The ABS help by selectively controlling the braking force of individual wheel in order to prevent the wheel from locking the tire. Hino 700 series also provide convenience for the driver and the passenger, which is the cab accessibility. The first step is now connect directly to the chassis, bringing it closer to the ground level. Cabin access is also easier and safer with the new optimized 3-step pinch. The larger door opening and the footstep allow easy access to enter in and out. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.
Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Amirul Ashraf bin Azman. I am from Faculty Mechanical Technology Automotive. My ID is BB19018. Okay, today I want to tell and show you about Hino 7 Series truck. Did you know why 7 Series 100 truck is so popular and demand by customer and the largest companies out there? This is because this heavy-duty truck Hino 7 series hit the class with the combination of quality, durability, and reliability. Okay, one of the factors that contribute to the combinations are the terms of the tires produced for this truck. There are 7 tubeless steel radius tires including spare tires with 295 per 80 radius 22.5 size used by this truck that can accommodate the weight of this truck. Next, we go to the brake system of this truck. For the service brake type, this truck use S-cam type leading and trailing shoes for front and rear. And for the service brake control, it use full air, dual circuit with anti-lock braking system ABS to provide more safety for the driver and the passenger when braking with this heavy-duty truck. Next, for the parking brake, this truck use mechanical spring brake acting on front and first rear axle. This truck also have auxiliary brake that related to the engine retrailer. That's all from me and my team. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Hazim bin Hamid. My metric number VB19014. Okay, now I will explain about the commercial vehicle, about the Hino 700 series truck. I will explain more detail about their engines. The Hino 700 series offer with a choice of 3 engines which develop 430, 445 and 480 horsepower. The engine are both 2 and 18 speeds automated manual E10 transmission provided crawler and double overdrive ratios. And at high speeds, the gearbox merge well with the heavy duty nature of the truck and can alternate gear perfectly to maximize the engine performance and to keep the fuel consumption to low level. On the other hand, at small speeds of up to 30 km per hour, the transmission disappoint and will act a bit harsh without any smooth shifts. The specification for this truck is, their model is Hino E13C TM, that's Euro 3. The type of this truck is, the type engine of this truck is diesel 6-cylinder, vertical inline, overhead cam and also water cooled. The displacement for this truck is 12.913 liter. The max output is 309 kilowatt or 1800 RPM. For the max torque is 1903 Newton meter and 1100 for their RPM. For bore and stroke is 137 times 146. Fuel injection system, electronic control command rail type. The air intake system is turbocharged intercooler, and the max speed for this engine is 2150 RPM. That's all about the Hino 700 series engine specification. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amir Hazim bin Zuhairi. My metric number is VB19017. So, today I would like to present about the interior and exterior Hino 700 series. So, let's talk about the exterior first and then we'll talk about the interior. The 700 series look pretty similar with the smaller 500 series. The most significant difference over its smaller sibling is the massive grille, which feature 3 horizontal stripes, which receive a chrome treatment for top and line version. The huge grille was necessary to be able to keep the bigger engine cool, but it also gave the truck a more imposing stance and underlined its heavy-duty character. The big triangular turning signal are carried over the 500 series and they look a bit out of place in combination with the robust design of the cabin. Another proof of the rugged nature of the Hino 700 series is the solid bumper which look built to last and is fitted with two big headlights. So next, let's talk about the interior. The ergonomy is also pretty good with a plenty of storage and also like with the red brown design of the dashboard as it is offer easy access to most of the control and switch. A clean design and easy to read even during night. The truck is also fitted with a useful cruise control which can be easily used by means of a stock mounted of the steering column. To increase comfort, the steering wheel can be adjusted for both reach and rate, allowing you to find a good driving position. Air suspension driver seat automatically adjusts to the driver weight, providing optimum comfort. Moreover, the seat is also adjustable for slight recline, height, sweat angle, and head resting position. With all external rear view mirror display, there is a blind spot area to consider. But the separation gap between the main and wide angle lens helps keep the factor to a minimum. At the back, the truck is fitted with a sleeping bunk. The high roof version can be equipped with a second bunk. For maximum practically, the step will help you climb up to the second bunk is fitted with the host of useful storage boxes. Additional storage can be found overhead and into the dash. So, that's all from me. I will pass to another presenter.
Hello, my name is Mafia Mata. My metric number is VB19015. Now I want to talk about suspension of the Hino trucks or Hino 700 series. The heaviest vehicle built by Hino is the 700 series. The truck is around for some years now, but the newest version of Hino heavy-duty model is starting to get closer and closer to its European rival, which currently set the standard in the cab over engine segments. The interior design is still pretty basic without having the potential to make any eyebrow rise in admiration, but what is going under the sheet metal is what really counts. So most of the upgrades are starting to be observed only after you fire the engine. The Hino 700 is offered with a choice of different wheel base length that range from 4005 mm until 4575 mm and comes with GVMs. You know GVMs, gross vehicle mass of up to 28 and then 300 kilogram. Hino 300 series, 500 series and 700 series have a same type of suspension, okay, such as cab suspension designed for driving comfort. The front and back part of the cab have two air springs, reducing vibration and bottoming shocks for greater driving comforts. And then leaf spring suspension features a highly reliable multi-leaf suspension with a proven track record. With flexibility and good rigidity, the taper leaf suspension helps deliver both vibration, absorption and durability. The tapered leaf spring excellent in the absorption of shock from the roadway surface are used to reduce cargo bed vibration. And then air suspension, you know air suspension enables smooth adjustment of coupler height. The air suspension on this truck help absorb vibration from road bumps that can be major cause of cargo collapse and damage. And then, using different variation of the suspension, the Hino 700 series comes in a variety of model variation that have been designed with customer needs in mind for various road condition and operating environment and what the truck will be transporting. Some model come with a height control system for adjusting the height of the rear body, which make cargo loading and unloading easier for the driver and hence help reduce cargo damage during loading and unloading. Okay, that's all for me about suspension of the 700 series Hino trucks. Thank you.